Good afternoon, this is Rusty with Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. So you guys that have been watching most of our videos know that I'm pretty anal about the fact that builder sand, new homes being constructed in builder sand and putting new plants directly into those builder sand leaves lawns and plants severely lacking in the nutrient and moisture retention areas and the general health of the plants. So I'm showing today just kind of got a new home that's been built, a lot of builder sand as you can see behind me, and what we're doing to remediate that sand and give it some good soil for those plants to root into and grow into for the long-term health of the landscape. Let's take a look. So as you can see, this is pure builder sand we're digging in, but these are some blue days, some daylilies, some boxwoods going in, and you would think that that soil around them is the soil from the potted plants, but it is not. We got some drift roses, some Lord Petalum going in, a pretty big magnolia going over here. Let me show you what exactly we're doing so that if you're putting in a landscape into your new home or planting plants in your newer home that had a lot of builder sand, what you can do about it. So all we're basically doing is taking good Comand potting soil, which is this black nutrient-rich soil here. You can use black cow. It doesn't have to be Comand. You can use black cow. You can use just basic potting soil from your local nursery. Just anything with a good dark color with a lot of nutrients and some moisture retention capability. You can see this has got shredded up wood in it. It's got old mulch. It's just really a nutrient-rich soil. Leaves shredded up. It's some good stuff. Comand is high quality. And then as these plants go in, we're digging the hole for the plant about twice as large as the pot itself and backfilling around it with all these individual pots of soil. So almost as much potting soil is in the pot, we're putting that much around the edges of it for that plant to grow. We're also not just putting pure potting soil around it, we're mixing some of the builder sand into the potting soil around it. So as those plants grow out from its root zone and grow out into the new soil, it kind of has a slow process of getting used to really basic soil, right? High pH builder sand, because you're going from nutrient-rich potting soil into a mixture of nutrient-rich potting soil and builder sand, and then out into the builder sand. And the hope is by the time these plants get out into the builder sand a couple years from now, we have some nutrients built up in that soil as well from the mulch breaking down and the constant irrigation. So that's what we got going in. If we can be any help for you and your lawn and landscape, give us a call here in Gainesville, 352-378-LAWN. Again, it's Rusty with Masters Lawn Care. Have a blessed day.